Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Tiger Woods. What are the characters that these super performers have? In one of my design thinking classes, I asked my fashion design students about what are the characteristics of super performers or people who deliver the best in their field, who are known as masters. People like Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Tiger Woods, Mr. Modi, George Armani, Deepika Padukone. The list is long. What are the characters that these super performers have? And we had a very interesting conversation there. We heard words like determination, confidence, talent, hard work, gratitude, humility, collaborative skills, love for work. I remember I heard one word the most, that was called passion. But the next question was more difficult. So there were so many answers to this simple question, and I asked them, can we figure out a common factor between all the super performers so that we can focus on building that? And there was a buzzing discussion, and in the end we could focus down on ability to face failures. Students have so many different illustrations to prove that point, like Amitabh Bachchan had 14 flops before he became a superstar. Thomas Edison had to fail 1,000 times to invent electric bulb. So there was numerous examples where all these super performers actually showcased an ability to fail and come back. So I think the word that describes that was called being resilient. So all these super performers looked like they were resilient to the impact that failure does on them. Yes, being resilient or being able to rebound back from failure easily keeps you in the game. People with lack of resilience don't survive for longer in any activity. So that resilient is a must trait to be in the game for longer. But there is a higher quality that enables super performers to master their game. Now it is called coachability. Being coachable means you are open to listening to feedback, able to receive constructive criticism without taking it personally, willing to look at your own performance in order to improve it. It is well known that after every match, Sachin Tendulkar would sit with his coach to review his match, to get his coach critical feedback on the shot that he is not good with. So he was always on the path to improvise himself. So he was very, very coachable. And then we started looking at all the super performers, and we figured out that being coachable was one common trait which every master or every super performer has in their characteristic. And we concluded the class with the same learning. But just at the end, one student asked a deeper question, that was how to master being coachable, or how to master this skill, how to become coachable so that you can become super performers. Is it a natural talent or a skill that can be mastered? So suddenly the whole class was abuzz with this question. And in the next video, I'm going to cover how easily one can master coachability. What are the different steps to master it?